we're opening.
Other way.
That was pre-cut for me. Oh wow! Lovely purple cover. Should help with the dust. It's a massive. Instruction manual. Comes with the bar for the knee control lift. I think I need a man. Have I got a man? You don't need one, but it helps. That's a lot of box. There's plastic around the styrofoam holding it together, tape. This is so exciting. Helps with the second set of hands. Here's the one I prepared earlier. Tape goes all the way around. It's very well packed in. Yep. Ta-da! Yep. That's it. Don't hold that. Wow. So the foot comes in its own little pouch. That's about as much as I know. Oh, has all the instructions. The bobbin spool. Oh, that's handy. Up or down. Very nice. Has really clear instructions on how to thread your bobbin winder. Oh, okay. Oh. Has all the accessories in there. Only one. Oh no, we've got two sides that tilt. And there's an empty one for your extra pieces. I've got the buttonhole. That would be the walking foot. Needles, screwdrivers, bobbins, and a whole heap of other feet in there that we will unpack. So empty in the bag, we've got 2 screwdrivers, 1 spool holder for small, and a large spool holder. There's a few bobbins as well, 5 needles, a little brush. It's quite handy. And it looks like a
bias?
No.
Yeah, bias.
The seam. Okay. And then we've got another clear foot. That looks like your 1/4 inch. Another quilting foot, a zipper foot. That's a really good question. We'll have to learn what that is. Another spool holder, and that's the darning foot for free motion. and a stitch in the ditch. I'll get back to you on that one. And then I believe you put them under your spool to help them spin. I'm just having a look to see where that goes. Oh, just up here. Well, that's handy. You can have 2 spools when you're using a twin needle. Thank you very much for watching the unboxing. Wait for our first trial on how it operates. Bye-bye.